It's been a long week, hasn't it, honey?
Yeah. Yes, it has.
You really gotta get that cough looked at.
Nothing's wrong, dear.
Well, if nothing's wrong, then maybe you'd like to... de-stress?
I would. But I'm really too tired.
There's definitely something wrong.
I told you my throat is fine.
I'm not talking about your cough. We haven't, you know, for 3 months.
So what?
So what? So what? What do you mean, so what?
Cupcake. It'll be alright.
Don't give me that crap. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. I'm fine. We're fine.
Something's definitely wrong.
No, I told you. You have nothing to worry about. I just developed allergies or something.
Oh, well, then come over here and let me take your temperature. Is that Pokemon?
Pokemon, it's better than sex.